There are a lot of vacancies for medical students in China, and to get guidance in this regards, please contact ICEC office at IMDC. Assalamu alaikum, I'm Dr. Ahmed Raza. I'm currently working as Head of Surgery and Allied at Islamabad Medical and Dental College. Islamabad Medical and Dental College is one of the pioneers, and we lead as a brand in medical education in Pakistan. As a part of innovative process, Islamabad Medical and Dental College has made international collaboration with Anhui University, China. China is one of emerging superpowers in the world, and learning Chinese language will not only add value in your CV but also helps you getting openings in international market. Knowing about Chinese culture, their geography, their history was very interesting, and learning Chinese language from these highly skilled professionals was also very amazing experience for us. And they made it very simple for all of us who joined this Chinese language class as how to communicate in Chinese. China owes its success to its brilliant standards of education, and lately they have made a very strong impact in healthcare industry and in medical education. Chinese medical schools are ranked amongst the top universities and schools in whole wide world. Having international qualification from a standard institution broadens your vision and changes your approach towards professional life. And studying from these institutions is a privilege in itself. There are a lot of vacancies for medical students in China, and to get guidance in this regards, please contact ICEC office at IMDC.